Eric here with Maywest Manufacturing out here in rural Minnesota. Today we're out here installing Black Talon Rubber Baler teeth on this Vermeer 605 Super M. Follow along for the installation. Before we get started with this installation, remember, safety first. Make sure your baler and tractor is hooked up on level ground. The brake is set on the tractor. And on this instance, we have the back door lifted up on this baler with the cylinder up and in the lock position. Don't forget your safety glasses, and always remember, put those gloves on your hands because there are sharp objects on these balers. So we're sitting here with the OEM Vermeer pickup tooth, as well as the Maywest Black Talon Rubber Baler tooth. A lot of people ask, what's the biggest difference on the OEM? You can see there is absolutely no give to these tine or these fingers or teeth whatsoever. And therefore, when you do hit a rock or whatever object you may hit, you can see how these will bend. And once they bend, they're going to keep that shape. And what happens more times than not is when you do have a bent tooth, that tooth is going to rub on the inside of the band and wear that band down quite fast. On the Maywest Black Talon Baler tooth, what we have here is, you can see how they flex. There's a lot of give there. Pops right back into shape. This is a rubber joint. This is a steel tine with a rubber coating, but with that rubber joint on there, it allows this tooth to flex if it does hit an object, and it will maintain its original shape. If you just have one bent, you can just replace one, two, or replace all. Okay, so we have all the Poly Pickup Bands taken off of this Vermeer Super M baler. We removed all the original pickup teeth. Next step is we are going to replace all the OEM baler pickup teeth with the Maywest Black Talon Rubber Baler teeth. If you're replacing your OEM pickup teeth with a Maywest Black Talon teeth, it's just you remove the hardware from your original OEM, and then utilizing the same hardware, we will then put our Maywest Black Talon Rubber Baler tooth back into position. I like to do one row at a time, just hand tighten a nut, and then I'll come back with my socket set and wrench and tighten them all down. A safe way to turn that pickup head without turning that PTO on, we are going to manually spin this drive around, and that will pull the teeth up and around, and therefore avoiding any contact or situations with the PTO into live power with the tractor.
Keep going. Right there.
We have all the Maywest Black Talon Rubber Baler teeth installed. We are now going to put all the Maywest Poly Pickup Bands in. Okay, we got the Poly Pickup Bands, the Black Talon teeth all in place, installed. We are now going to put this guard back in place. We take it off for a little easier access to the teeth and bands themselves. The purpose of this guard is mainly to prevent, unnecessary objects to get in that baler. For example, rocks, certain plastics or large boxes of cardboard. So, and it also helps keep that windrow kind of at bay, so that real windrow is not coming up too high, and then hitting the belts and then dropping back down as well. Maywest Black Talon teeth, Maywest Poly Pickup Bands in action. You can't even hear that pickup. Look how quiet that is. Unbelievable quiet. All you hear are the belts on that round baler. you have it. This Vermeer 605 Super M Baler is outfitted with Maywest Black Talon Rubber Baler teeth, as well as Wes Poly Pickup Bands. For more information, check out your local Maywest dealer. Check us out on the web, www.maywest.com, or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483.